What's up, y'all? This is Elijah from Financial Anatomy coming at y'all with another video to help y'all take control of your financial destiny in the flesh today. And we're going to be talking about the Coinbase experience, I guess. I can't say app. I know when you clicked on this video, you're probably expecting to see how to withdraw money from your Coinbase account using the app. But the app is currently experiencing this glitch where if you try and withdraw money, it will ask you to verify your identity, send you a text on your phone, and then the app will just reboot and start you over so you can't really withdraw. Until they fix that glitch, you can only really do this process on the computer, or you can do it on the mobile phone potentially, but you have to use a browser and log into Coinbase. That way you can actually use the app. Hopefully they fix that issue soon. And if they do, I will make a separate video covering how to do this on the app. But as it stands right now, you can only do this on the desktop or computer version. So let's go ahead and move into the content of the video. So first off, you want to make sure you have money in your account to actually withdraw. This is not crypto, this is cash. So as you see, I have $10.72 in my account. You'll see an option once you're on the home screen that says cash. Just click on it. And it will take you to the screen to where you have the option to deposit money or withdraw money. We're going to switch the toggle to withdraw money because that's what we want to do. And this is important since we're using the desktop. On the phone, it's automatically filled, but you'll only be able to withdraw USDC or USD wallet. It's set to USDC by default, so I need to switch to my USD wallet. For this example, I'm just going to be withdrawing $10. And you can ignore the insufficient funds, some kind of glitch going on where that just doesn't disappear. See, I can increase it and it's still saying insignificant funds. And where it says transfer to, just pick the debit card or the bank account that you would like to transfer the money to. Just click on it. And it will bring up a variety of options that you've already linked to pick from. I'm fine with the one that was already selected, so I'm just going to click the back button. And keep in mind that there will be a fee, but Coinbase will tell you what that fee will be before you actually initiate the transaction. In this case, 55 cents. So I'm going to click on preview. And it's letting me know that I'll be withdrawing $10 or going to my Chase bank account. How fast will it happen? It will happen instantly. So I'm going to click on withdraw now. And it's asking me to verify just like it normally would on the app. But this time, it's not going to glitch out since I'm on the desktop. So you want to make sure you have your phone next to you so you can go ahead and enter the code and verify. And it says your withdrawal is pending. We'll email you the status update. That's just standard stuff. But that concludes exactly how you withdraw money from your Coinbase into a bank account or to a debit card. So we click on transactions. You can see that it's pending, so it has been initiated. It'll usually take longer to withdraw from a bank account versus a debit card. It'll be like instantly like that. So that does it for this video. Have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit the thumbs up button if you found value in this video. If you're interested in Coinbase, feel free to sign up using the link in the description or the pinned comment. Full disclosure, that is an affiliate link, and I also have a Coinbase playlist that covers more tutorials like this on how to navigate the Coinbase experience. I'll catch y'all in the next video, and don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.